This is the story of what happened to ancient Rome. A true account of the cause of all this destruction of the world's most famous city. You see, many years ago, there was a woodpecker, and there was an emperor.
That woodpecker again!
Whoops, sorry.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. That's catchy. Maybe I got a hit tune.
Caesar salad.
God!
Did you call me emperor?
No, he called you guard, silly.
I want you to get rid of this.
Hold it, Curly. Let me tell him. He wants you to throw me in the dungeon. Dungeon? Oh, boy. Popcorn. Well, bless my little woodpecker soul. A popcorn jackpot.
See this bird, Leo? That's a woodpecker. Go get it!
Boy, you look sick, sick, sick. Stick out your tongue. Hold it, hold it. I can't be seen with a lion like you. Look at your hair. A rattier-looking lion I never did see. Put your head down. Let's see what we can do with this mess. There we are. The ponytail. Mona Lisa. Buffon. Well, how do you like this? Hold that pose. I'll show you a trick I saw in a circus. Dee-dum-dum-da-dee. Now you do it to me.
Here, Woody. Come on, woodpecker. Here, woodpecker. That's him, not me. You got him. You see,
dance for me, Cleopatra.